Hey everyone, welcome back to Review Realm, where we bring you honest and detailed reviews to help you make the best purchase decisions. Today we're diving into the ultimate cleaning solution for your carpets. If you're tired of stubborn stains, pet messes, or dull-looking rugs, stick around as we count down the top 7 best carpet cleaners of 2025. We've analyzed performance, usability, and value for money to bring you this comprehensive list. So, grab a seat and let's find the perfect cleaner for you. Number 7. Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaner. If you're a pet owner, the Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaner could be your best ally in maintaining spotless carpets. This machine excelled in removing fresh and old stains as well as stubborn ammonia odors in our tests. It's equipped with large 64-ounce tanks, significantly reducing the need for frequent refilling and emptying, even during extensive cleaning sessions. The Rug Doctor is undeniably heavy when full, but its design compensates for this with a retractable handle and large wheels, making it easy to maneuver and store. The 4-foot stretch hose allows you to clean an entire staircase from either the top or bottom, making it incredibly versatile. Its rubberized bristle nozzle is a bonus for pet owners, effectively picking up pet hair while tackling stains. While its weight may be a drawback for some, the superior cleaning power and thoughtful design make it worth considering. Whether it's pet messes or everyday spills, the Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaner is a reliable choice for maintaining clean and odor-free carpets. Number 6. Bissell Crosswave Wet-Dry Vacuum. For those seeking versatility, the Bissell Crosswave Wet-Dry Vacuum is a standout choice. This machine combines the functionality of a vacuum and a mop, making it capable of handling dry debris, pet hair, wet spills, and even refreshing low-pile rugs. In our tests, it noticeably brightened our test carpets, though it's less effective on deep-pile carpets compared to models with rotating brushes. Its cordless design is a major convenience, offering up to 30 minutes of runtime per charge. The slim build is perfect for homes with limited storage, and it's easy to set up, use, and clean. The self-cleaning feature adds another layer of convenience, ensuring the machine stays ready for its next use. However, the dry dust cup is a bit small, so you may need to empty it more frequently if tackling larger areas. Despite this minor drawback, the Crosswave excels in usability and versatility, making it an excellent pick for households with a mix of hard floors and low-pile carpets. Number 5. Tineco Carpet One Pro Smart Carpet Cleaner. If you're looking for a smart cleaning solution, the Tineco Carpet One Pro is packed with innovative features. This carpet cleaner uses advanced sensors to detect dirt levels and automatically adjust suction and water flow for optimal cleaning. Its LED display keeps you informed of cleaning modes, dirt levels, and when an area is thoroughly cleaned. A built-in heater ensures the cleaning solution stays hot, boosting stain-fighting capabilities and speeding up the drying process. Switching between carpet and upholstery cleaning is seamless thanks to its easy-to-attach hose. Weighing just 16.5 pounds, the Tineco is lighter than many full-sized cleaners, making it easier to maneuver and store. In our tests, it handled dirt and stains effectively, proving to be a reliable choice for various cleaning tasks. Voice prompts guide users through the cleaning process, ensuring convenience and ease of use. Whether you're dealing with carpets or upholstery, the Tineco Carpet One Pro delivers excellent results with minimal effort. Number 4. Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Big Green is a professional-grade carpet cleaner that combines power with ease of use. It features a 1.75-gallon tank, reducing the need for frequent refills, and a spinning flow indicator that alerts you when it's time to add more solution. Despite its bulky appearance, this machine is surprisingly user-friendly, with an adjustable, foldable handle for easier storage. During testing, the Big Green left carpets soft and evenly cleaned without overwetting them. Its extra-long 25-foot cord allows for uninterrupted cleaning of large rooms, while the 9-foot hose and stain tool make it perfect for stairs, upholstery, and tight corners. At over 40 pounds, it's a bit heavy to carry up and down stairs, so you might need assistance. However, its powerful performance and thoughtful features make it a great investment for homes with large carpeted areas. If you want professional cleaning results at home, the Bissell Big Green won't disappoint. Number 3. Bissell Stain Eraser Power Brush Plus. The Bissell Stain Eraser Power Brush Plus is an excellent choice for tackling small stains and spills. This portable cleaner is lightweight, easy to use, and delivers impressive cleaning power for its size. In our tests, it handled fresh and dried stains like red wine and blueberry pie with ease, outperforming many larger models. Its built-in rotating brush gently agitates carpet fibers, working the detergent solution deep into the pile for effective stain removal. For delicate fabrics, the brush can be switched off to prevent damage. The included rubber tool is particularly handy for cleaning pet messes without making a mess of its own. With a 20-minute runtime, it's ideal for small tasks, though the tanks may need refilling for larger jobs. Compact and easy to store, the Bissell Stain Eraser is perfect for homes that only occasionally need spot cleaning but demand reliable performance. Number 2. Hoover Smartwash Pet Automatic Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover Smartwash Pet Automatic Carpet Cleaner simplifies carpet cleaning with its automatic formula mixing and dispensing system. You simply push the machine forward to clean and pull it back to dry, with no need to manually hold any triggers. The dry-only mode further speeds up the drying process by emitting heat during the forward stroke. Equipped with an 8-foot hose and 22-foot power cord, this cleaner provides sufficient reach for stairs and upholstery. In our tests, the Hoover impressed with its powerful suction, picking up pet fur, dust, and debris even after a thorough vacuuming. It's an excellent option for pet owners looking to deep clean carpets. Though slightly shorter in reach compared to some competitors, its overall performance and ease of use make the Hoover Smartwash a practical choice for maintaining fresh, clean carpets without the hassle of manual mixing or complicated controls. Number 1. Bissell Revolution HydroSteam Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Revolution HydroSteam Carpet Cleaner stands out as the only model we've tested that truly incorporates steam cleaning into its design. This feature is a game changer for tackling tough stains, including mustard and wine, with minimal effort. Its quick-dry mode ensures carpets are ready to use in less than 30 minutes, a major plus for busy households. This cleaner is easy to operate with 3 cleaning modes to suit various needs. The 25-foot power cord and 8-foot hose provide ample reach for large rooms and tricky spots like stairs and upholstery. Unique attachments like the pet hair tool and tough stain tool enhance its versatility. At 31 pounds, it's on the heavier side, but the cleaning results are worth the effort. While we noticed minor suds on the backstroke, they disappeared with a few additional passes. If you're looking for a top-tier carpet cleaner with innovative features and reliable performance, the Bissell Revolution HydroSteam is a standout choice. We hope this review has helped you narrow down your choices. If you've used any of these carpet cleaners or have recommendations of your own, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed reviews and product insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.